how to get a free nonfiction book barcode. You go to kindlepreneur.com/ISBN-bar-code-generator. You will come up to Kindlepreneur's ISBN barcode generator, where you can generate a free barcode for your nonfiction book. You follow 3 easy steps and presto, you'll have a professional barcode for your book. In step 1, you enter your ISBN without the hyphens. The generator will automatically generate the hyphens for me. So here we go. In step 2, I enter the price. Kindlepreneur provides you this great table that shows you how to do that. So first you start by entering a country code. As you can see, the US is country code 5, Canada is 6, and the UK is 0. Then you enter your price. I enter 5 for my country code, and then I enter the price. Responsabilidad Solidaria is priced at $14.95, so I enter 1495, so my price will be $514.95. Finally, in step 3, you select your preferred format to download your file. Now, by default, it's showing a PNG with a transparent background. I do like that. However, you do have choices. Hit the drop down and you'll see that your choices are PNG with transparent background, JPG with white background, and PDF. You do have some choices here. So I'm choosing the PNG version with the transparent background. And now I simply click download barcode. And here it goes. I save it. And this is what your final barcode will look like. It has your complete ISBN here, here, and here. It also shows your price here, $514.95. The barcode will also show your price in readable format. So US, $14.95. And that's how you can get a free barcode. Like and subscribe for more book writing and publishing tips.